Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about Air Jordan 1s. I recently purchased a pair. When I was going to purchase the tennis shoes, I had a lot of trouble like looking at reviews because it had been a long time since I wore Air Jordan 1s. So the last time I bought me a pair were like high school, so I'm no longer in high school. I looked online and I was looking for like different things and like sizing, the fit, you know, should I go up a size, down a size, and like, you know, none of the information on there was like helpful. It was just like, this is the shoe, this is the date that it's coming out. Today I want to just go ahead and like give some insight on the shoe, and then also I'm going to show you guys 3 ways I would wear this shoe. So the shoe that I ordered it from Foot Locker, and I just went online and I googled Air Jordan 1s. I wouldn't say the research process took that long. I must say maybe because I have smaller feet, it might be harder, but it didn't take me that long to find a pair that I really liked. And I'm a Libra, so I'm very indecisive. So in the box that it came in like a standard brown box, and then this is how they shipped the box to me. It was delivered by UPS, and they weren't that gentle with my box because I got the box, it literally looked like that. And so these are the details here that I have for the Jordans that I got. They're in a size 6.5 from the kids section or youth section. So typically in my tennis shoe size, I wear like a size 6 in boys, and then in girls I wear in women's I wear like an 8. So I went up to a 6.5, and I must say the 6.5 was fine. Guys, my feet are so wide and so fat and they're short, so it's kind of difficult. But anyways, I got these in a size 6.5, and these are the shoes here. And this is the colorway that I decided to go with. The colors are mostly green, black, white, and then they have the red label here and then the red label here. I did decide to get the Air Jordan 1 mids because high tops for me are just not gonna work. I am only 5'1", and then also with sneakers like that, and my calves and my legs are quite thick, I do feel like high tops look kind of weird on me like that. So I just felt like I don't want the shoe to like eat up half of my leg and then like it look kind of weird. So yeah, that's why I got the mid. And so yeah, that's pretty much it on the shoe. The texture on the shoe is like pretty soft. With my feet being so wide, it does fit pretty nicely. So for me to put these on, because I feel like they lace them up pretty tight when you first get them, I like kind of like loosen it all up until this part right here. I like the details of the shoe, very simple. But yeah, so these are the shoes here. I do like them. I do feel like they're gonna go with a little bit of everything. So that's just some details on the shoe. I really hope that kind of like helped you guys out in terms of sizing. I guess I don't want to show my feet because like that's kind of weird. But I guess if I feel comfortable enough, I'll show a clip of what my feet, like the size of my feet, like my feet look like my hands, like they're like this long but this wide. So I hope that is helpful. I just don't want to show my feet, I just feel kind of uncomfortable. So yeah, and then oh yeah, and the bottoms of the shoe come with the green here. Overall, I do like these shoes, and these are the mids, and I do think the mids make more sense for me. But yeah, so these are the details on the shoes. I really hope that that was really helpful. And now I'm basically going to show you guys how I would style these.